Ready to gear up your Subaru Crosstrek for adventure? In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 roof rack crossbars to help you carry it all. Let's dive in. At number 5 on our list, we have the HmmtyRack roof rack crossbars, an impressive blend of affordability, durability, and sleek design. These crossbars are a perfect fit for the 2024 Subaru Crosstrek, including the Wilderness model, and they look like they were built into the car's design. Users praise their sturdy build and smooth installation process, which takes less than 15 minutes. Not only do these crossbars perform well, but they also cost a fraction of what dealer crossbars would. Whether you're hauling gear or just adding a rugged look to your ride, the HmmtyRack crossbars deliver on value and style. For an easy-to-install, reliable solution at an unbeatable price, the HmmtyRack roof rack crossbars are a fantastic choice for your Crosstrek. Coming in at number 4 on our list, we have the EZREXPM roof rack crossbars, a blend of style, functionality, and ease of use. These crossbars are designed with simplicity in mind. They take just 10 minutes to install, thanks to straightforward instructions and well-crafted rubber bar mounts that securely fit your vehicle's roof rails. With a design that looks factory installed, the EZREXPM crossbars enhance your Crosstrek's appearance while providing reliable support for your gear. Whether it's a 2021 model or beyond, they fit perfectly and work seamlessly. If you want secure, stylish, and easy-to-install roof rack crossbars, the EZREXPM roof rack crossbars are a fantastic choice for your Subaru Crosstrek. Sliding into number 3 on our list, we have the Autekcomma roof rack crossbars, a reliable option for adventurers who need strong, versatile support. These crossbars are a breeze to install, fitting snugly on models like the 2016 and 2019 Subaru Crosstrek. One pro tip: if it doesn't seem to fit at first, flip the bars. That simple adjustment makes all the difference. Designed for durability, these bars provide a sturdy base for carrying kayaks, canoes, or other gear. They hold securely, even with heavier loads, making them perfect for outdoor enthusiasts. With their strength, ease of installation, and adaptable design, the Autekcomma roof rack crossbars are a fantastic choice for your Subaru Crosstrek adventures. Taking the number 2 spot on our list, meet the BougeRV roof rack crossbars, a fantastic blend of style, function, and value. These crossbars fit perfectly on models like the 2021 Crosstrek, providing a sleek and sturdy foundation for all your travel needs. Whether it's a kayak, ski rack, or other gear, these bars can handle it. Installation is straightforward, especially once you get the hang of it. For even more convenience, grab a ratcheting Allen wrench to save time on adjustments. And if you like to keep your Crosstrek clean, these bars are easy to remove for a quick car wash. The built-in lock system adds a layer of security while keeping operation hassle-free. Plus, their sturdy build ensures reliable support for your adventures. The BougeRV roof rack crossbars are the perfect companion for any Crosstrek owner looking for durability, convenience, and a budget-friendly price tag. Taking the number 1 spot on our list, we have the BrightLines roof rack crossbars, a favorite for their ease of use, sturdy build, and perfect fit. Designed for models like the 2021 Crosstrek and the 2024 Crosstrek Wilderness, these crossbars deliver an easy and seamless fit. Installation is a breeze, with both bars snapping into place effortlessly. Whether you're packing up for a camping trip or a long road journey, these crossbars are up to the task. Their sturdy build provides reliable support for all your gear. If you're looking for dependable, easy-to-install roof rack crossbars for your Crosstrek, the BrightLines roof rack crossbars are the perfect pick to top off our list.